friends, we're so glad that you are with us again today. We did a video recently of the Missouri Quilt Museum, which was fabulous, and if you haven't seen it, we'll link it right up here, so make sure you check that out. While we were there, we were talking with Dakota, and she was telling us a little bit about her bed and breakfast, so we thought we'd come on over and check it out. This is way better than the Motel 6.
Thank you. That is just what I was hoping you would say.
I have no idea. If you're out there and this is yours, tell me. This was found. Hi, gorgeous. Hello, friends. Hi. Good to see you again. Good to see you. I was just talking to Dean about the fact that I have never ever been in a bed and breakfast.
You've got to do it. It's the best.
I'm excited about a little tour.
Yeah. Well, welcome to our home. So we share the main floor with guests because we live here on property. So all of this is for all of us to enjoy together. We sit in the living room and visit with one another. Of course, dining room together for breakfast every morning. And so we all gather around and just sit and visit all the guests and the family. And usually the boys are too busy to sit with us, and they're out doing animals or whatever else on the farm. But I enjoy to spend as much time at breakfast as possible. Good food and good conversation.
So you're a cook too?
Oh, I love to cook. Love to be in the kitchen.
Okay, but I'm noticing, so just so everyone knows, we are currently in the month of June. And I'm noticing this.
So I collect nativities, and so there's about probably 40 or 50 on display all the time year round. And then at Christmas, there's about 250 out. So it just becomes this nativity wonderland. I mean, they're everywhere at Christmas time. So maybe you'll have to come back and do a nativity viewing in December. So yeah.
Definitely.
So here's the dining room. This is where we all gather and eat together in the morning. And then of course guests can have dinner here or whatever if they go out and grab something, bring it back, or warm it up themselves in the microwave or whatever. So it's our home, your home. We all do it together.
Perfect.
So we were really lucky to get this house. I've always wanted to do a B&B since I was knee-high to a grasshopper. And so
you're kind of still
yeah, 4'11", so not super tall. But. So when we found this house, I was just so lucky to find it and so happy to do a B&B. So here's our first suite. This is Evening Star.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
Isn't that pretty? All the rooms in the B&B have their own private bathroom, which just makes it even so much better, right?
Yeah.
It's always fun when you can have your own space when you're out.
This is luxurious. This is way better than the Motel 6.
Thank you. That is just what I was hoping you would say. Yeah, that's funny. So here's the Missouri Beauty Suite. They're pretty close to the same footprint, the two rooms here. Mm-hmm. Single queen, private bath. And then of course with all the rooms, breakfast is included.
Nice.
A whirlpool tub. Whoa. That's fun.
Very nice.
And of course, one of the most important questions is, what's for breakfast?
Depends on the day, but we do a hot breakfast every morning except for Sundays. That's my day off, so I do a continental breakfast on Sundays. This morning, what do we have this morning? This morning we had omelets. Yesterday we had croissant French toast with vanilla cream sauce. That's kind of my signature dish. And it is so yummy. But crepes, biscuits and gravy, quiche. I mean, we do all kinds of things for breakfast.
I feel like to do a really good video.
We should
we need to make breakfast. At the end, we're totally doing it. Croissant French toast tonight. We're doing that. All right, suite number 3 up here.
Oh, this is fun and fancy.
Fun and fancy. Now this suite's a little bit different. We have a queen size bed, but then we also have 2 twin size beds in the tree house, which it's used to be a walk-in closet, but if it fits 2 twin beds, we need more quilters, right? Yeah. So we've converted it to have 2 twins in here.
Oh, this is so precious. Do you get like groups of ladies that will come in and just like share?
Yes.
Yeah.
They love that they can have their little quilting space together.
Oh, this is This is just so fancy. Oh, look at the bathroom.
This has a fun bathroom, yeah.
Oh, look, it's so pretty.
So the cute girl that lived here before us painted this bathroom, and I kept it just as is.
Aww.
She did such a good job.
Wait, she...
Yes, this is all just
that's
taped off and painted.
Oh my goodness. Wow. She did a good job.
I know, I love it. So lots of times, obviously, quilt country, right? We have people come into town for days at a time and then they want to sew. And so we'll set up sewing stations in the rooms or downstairs. We move aside one of the tables and then have this whole quilting retreat down on the main floor.
Oh,
And that's a lot of fun
they
too.
just get silly, don't they?
So this is our anniversary suite.
Oh, my.
Oh, I have stuff on the couch. Sorry.
It's okay. Ooh, and it even smells lovely.
Good.
It smells lovely.
My box is in the living room. Sorry.
That's
Packaging
right.
soap for the boys.
Yeah, you said your boys make goat
Goat milk
milk?
soap.
Goat
Yes.
milk soap.
Yeah. So this is the bathroom of all bathrooms.
Is it?
This is one that we.
Ooh la la.
So
Ooh,
this is usually referred to as the anniversary suite, just because it has all the extra space and the jetted tub, separate shower, and then we're gonna climb in the tub because it's got a beautiful view of the backyard as well. Can you see any of that?
Oh, yes. Oh, and there's like a pond.
You can see the pond from here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, at night, of course, the lightning bugs and hear the frogs.
Look at this shower head.
It's a good one.
No. I was saying I need to go remodel my house, but since I live in the back of a truck.
Hey, you can always remodel the back of a truck.
It's true. But my whole house is like smaller than that bathroom. But it's fancy, you know, we love it.
Yes, it is fabulous.
Yeah. Look at even this. Look at how pretty this is.
Here, and then we have two family suites out next in the at top of the driveway. There's another house, and they each sleep 8. One of them is called Quilter's Paradise, and it has a big sewing room. And so we set up the sewing tables and chairs, and you can retreat out there. There's 8 twin beds in that room.
Oh, wow.
And 2 bathrooms in that unit. And then the one next door to it that has an adjoining door, so you really can open it up into one big unit, also has 2 bedrooms, one with 2 queens and 4 twins in the other, and then 2 full bathrooms, a living room, kitchen. So it's a nice big unit as well. We've got guests staying in both of those right now, and they don't want to be on film, so we'll have to do those later.
So you can just show, we'll see the outside so we know what we're talking about. Ooh, look at this.
That one's fantastic.
Who did that?
I have no idea. If you're out there and this is yours, tell me. This was found at a thrift store in Moses Lake, Washington.
Wow.
And my mother-in-law picked it up for me. And the free motion quilting on this is phenomenal.
That is so pretty.
Back to the kitchen where all the magic happens.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll walk outside and see what's out. Now, do you ever pick people up from the airport, or how do they get here from the airport?
So in Shuttle in town, Keith owns In Shuttle, and then there's a couple other people that will go run to the airport and do that as well. But I do not do airport runs.
Okay.
I stay too busy with everything else.
Right. But when they contact you, you can probably help them.
Oh yes, yeah. We'll give them all that information, help them plan their trip, help them find shuttle information, restaurants in town, you know, all the things that a hotel would do to help you find all that information.
Perfect.
So of course we've got, the gazebo to sit and relax, or out here on the patio. Sometimes people bring their coffee out in the morning and sit and read a book in the afternoon. And that all overlooks the whole property, so it's really nice to have this area.
You've got a fire pit and a picnic table.
Yeah. And chickens running around, and ducks. Sometimes goats, depending on the day.
Oh.
Hi guys.
Hi. Do you want to be on my video?
They're all gonna come running because they think we have food. You see,
Yeah.
you're attracting all of the birds. They're coming this way.
Are they dangerous? Look at that one.
Isn't he beautiful?
Yeah. Hi, gorgeous.
we have the kids' playground and things down here. And then this building down here is the boys' man cave, so that's where my teenagers hang out. That's their spot to escape from mom.
And work at this point. Is that where they're doing
that? Is where they're making soap. Yes.
Nice.
They put in a kitchen themselves down there, and so now they're processing and making their soap down in the man cave. So we have the pond down there with you can see the dock. We do have life jackets down there, and then there's 2 kayaks and a couple of canoes, and then of course fishing poles, and so you can go fishing. We have crappie, bluegill, bass, and catfish in the pond, and you can catch and release, or you can cook it up for dinner.
Look at your husband just cruising down there on that machine.
He does go fast on that lawnmower.
Okay, and this building over here is where you have these are the 2 family suites.
So Carriage House on the right, Quilter's Paradise on the left, and then they have that adjoining door in between, so you can make it one big unit if you want and sleep up to 16.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Hi, critters. Hi, sweet babies. Hi.